I was told a nipper role is the same as a trade assistant. That's another role that I'm interested in. What do you know? What can you tell me about that role, or what the duties and responsibilities are for it?
Okay, so a nipper's role isn't a trade assistant role. The trade assistant role is traditionally on the surface doing shutdown work, or maybe you might have one trade assistant in a workshop on the surface helping out the fitters with the daily services and all that sort of stuff. But not that that really happens a lot anymore. So the trade assistant job is more associated with shutdown work, where the nipper job is an actual mining role. So the nipper job, you're dropping people off to work, picking them up, running around like a chook with your head cut off for 12 hours for the day, doing whatever's required. It's a good job to learn the mine and learn what everybody does in the mine. So, you get good exposure to everything, because you might have to go and help service crew for 5 or 10 minutes, and you might have to give charge up a hand for a little while and all that sort of stuff. And just to run around and pick people up with firing times and with crib time and then knock off and all that sort of stuff. It's one of those jobs that you look at your watch and you wish you had an extra hour in the day, because the day just flies past. Which is one of
Yep.
the things that I used to enjoy about it. It can be a physical job. You can be a lot of work involved depending on what you've got to do. You might get stuck loading bolts on the end of a jumbo for 12 hours a day, which can be quite physically demanding for the 12 hours. Not that you're lifting a lot of weight with the bolts and all that sort of stuff. It's just repetitive stuff. Then it's just about being organised. The nipper, you have to run around and drop off ground support to the different headings before the jumbo arrives. That might be something that you've got to do. There's a whole heap of different things that you might have to do as a nipper. You won't have to do all of them when you get to your mine site, but you will have to do like 4 of the 5 of the 10 things that you might have to do. And it's just a matter of being told what your responsibilities are. But yeah, no, nipper's nothing like a TA job, completely different.